So you're looking for a managed IT services company here in Greensboro. Okay, let me introduce you to us. My name is Ron Pierce, and I'm the president here at Trinity Solutions. We are actually just outside of Greensboro in High Point, and as you can tell from this page, we're a little bit different. We're not the all white with blue writing IT companies that do the 3-year service agreements, and they just all seem to be the same, just a different name. That's not us. We've been doing this for 21 plus years. We've still got our original clients from 21 years ago. And what we do is we take care of you. We don't really care about the equipment, whether it's Dell, HP, Lenovo, we handle it all. We actually just care more about the people because we know that if they can't do their job, it doesn't really matter what they're using. So what we want to do is we'd like to sit down with you. I'd love for you to take a look at their website, look at the details, see exactly what we do, take a look at that quick summary, what makes us different from our competition. And when you've done all that, just call us at 336-303-1730. Ask for Andy or ask for me, Ron, and let's just sit down and have a 45-minute meeting to see if we are the right company for you guys. If we are, I guarantee you're going to get our best. And again, because we don't do 3-year contracts, we're month to month, we've got to make sure that we keep you guys happy every time you call. So take a look at the website, see if what we offer is what you need. And if so, let's sit down for 45 minutes and just talk. So thanks.